Hi all, this is Sampath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to show how to change purchase order header data in MAS. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. To change purchase order header data, I'm going to use transaction code MEMASSPO. Now press enter key. Click on right mark. Here I am going to change purchase group in purchase order. This is my data. At the top row, insert one row. Add the fields to both values. To get fields, just press F1 key. Keep cursor on the purchase order number. Press F1 key. Click on technical data. Copy the field name. Go back to Excel sheet. Paste this field name. I am pasting the field name here. Press tab key. Again go back to SAP. Close this window. Close this window. Keep cursor on purchase group. Press F1 key. Click on technical data. Copy the field. Close the window. Close the window. Go back to Excel sheet. Paste it here. Now copy the entire data. Just copy it. Go back to MAS change transaction. Select the row purchase order header. Now click on import data from clipboard option. Click on right mark. Here select the with header line option. Now click on execute button. See here, system automatically assigned the fields here. If you want to add the fields manually, how can we add? That also I will show in next case. Now click on execute button. Click on save. Click on right mark. It takes few seconds to process the data. Yes, my data changed successfully. Okay. Now we can cross check in purchase order. Click on this folder icon. Enter the purchase order number. Same purchase order number only. Now click on other document. Yes, my purchase group successfully changed. In next case, I'm going to show how we can assign the fields in MAS transaction. Again, go back to Excel, remove the first row. I'm removing the first row, copy the data. Before that, change the purchase group. Purchase group, I'm going to change 001. Click on this small square, click on this arrow, select copy cells, copy all values, go back to MAS change transaction, come back, close this window. Come back again. Re-enter the transaction code MEMASSPO. Press enter key. Click on continue button. Select the purchase order header. Now click on import data from clipboard. Click on right mark. In this case, don't select with header line radio button. Select without header line radio button. Now click on execute option. To assign the fields, just click here. To assign the purchase order field, just double click on purchase document. It assigned. Now click here to assign the purchase group. Find the purchase group field. This is the purchase group field. Just double click on this. Yes, we successfully assigned the fields. Now click on execute button. Click on save button. Click on right mark. Yes, we successfully processed. We can cross check by opening any one purchase order. Go back to ME23 end screen. Same purchase order only. Just copy this purchase order number. Click on other purchase order. Enter your purchase order number. Click on other document. Yes, it successfully changed. That's it today video tutorial. If this video is useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.